Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am going to show you girls how to fix a over bleached wig. It's very simple and easy to do as far as fixing this issue, and it also is easy to create this problem. So if you're interested in how I fix this over bleached wig, then keep on watching. Okay girls, so before we actually get into it, I want to give a big shout out to CelieHair for sponsoring today's wig. So this is their 13 by 4 24-inch lace frontal wig. Now this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and it does come with lightly bleached knots. However, I went in and bleached the knots and left the bleach on a little too long. So in this video, I'm going to show you girls how to fix an over bleached lace frontal wig, because it is so easy to do this, but it can be a little complicated sometimes when trying to fix an over bleached wig. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the basics, which is cutting off the lace and securing the wig down. Okay, so now that I have the wig parted, I'm going to go in with this gray away marker. Basically what it's going to do is darken the roots of the wig. So where those blonde hairs are, this dark marker is just going to darken those hairs. And as you can see, it is starting to give a more filled in look. Now this is a little off, like as far as the black. So I think it's like a dark brown, maybe like a 4 instead of a jet black, but that's okay. I'm still going to show you girls how to fix that. So I'm just going in very lightly, not heavy-handed, because I don't want the marker to go through on the lace. I'm just making sure I put the marker directly on the hair and filling in those blonde spots. So after I've done that, I'm going to go in with the hot comb and just smooth and press everything out. girl. So to finish off this look, of course I added some curls, and I'm just going to comb out these curls to get more of a loose wave effect. So as you can see, the wig definitely transformed with just adding that gray away marker, and the lace looks normal. So I will make sure I have all of the details on this hair below in the description bar.